Hey guys, today I'm coming on with a craft with me. Today I'm going to be making an embellishment box. So I have this embellishment box here and the size is 7 inches by 3.5 inches. So I'm going to do like a garden party theme with it because that's kind of what I've been using lately and it's my bash or stash. So I've got the paper pad here and what I want to do is make like a layered thing to go over the top, and I'm gonna do I was going to do a book but I think I changed my mind. I could do a book and still just have it sitting. I'm gonna do that. Okay, alright, I've changed my mind completely, but that's okay. So I want to start by creating a layered piece for the top. I know I want it to be kind of like eating themed. So I'm going to do this one here and I'm going to cut it to size. So it was 7 inches. I think I will decorate it and then I'll make the box, and that might be a secondary video. Go down there and pull off the branding strip. Okay, nicely, which it does, beautiful. And I want to actually round the corners on it because this is a rounded box. So I'm just going to take my corner rounder and snip it. This is obviously not something that is a necessity, but I just feel like it. Okay, so that's going to go on there like that. I also have this new SVG. This is a SVG from my Etsy. It's a cupcake, and I know I want it to go on there like this. And I want a word. I think I want wishes like this. I think that could be fun, and then we'll layer it up a bit with like some of the other pieces that are in here, like I like that one. I just kind of go through my ephemera box and find things that I think will work. So when I'm kind of doing layering, what I like to do is I just kind of put everything together and then I will take it apart and stitch it. Instead of using the card, there is the chipboard. And what I do is I actually pull off like a decent amount because I think I'm going to stitch it. I think it might add a nice detail. There we go. So I pulled off a fairly decent chunk, but it's still really thick. And that'll look cute like that. With my wishes word, and then I think as well, I have a little bow that I might pop on there. I'm going to use this pink one here. It's a really light coloured tulle. You can barely actually see it. Alright, so I'm going to stitch this off camera and then I will come back. Okay, so like I said off camera, I have stitched the paper with some tulle and added in the sequins mix. This is just a sequins mix that I made myself with different sequins that I got from AliExpress. So I'm going to use my hot glue gun now to attach it to the box itself. Now the box has a latch here and opens up. So I want to make sure that the pattern paper is facing that way and everything's done that way so that when someone opens it, they know the way to open it basically. So I'm going to put the hot glue onto this here. Just waiting for my gun, and I'm going to put the hot glue on. Now because I want it to line up really well, I'm only going to do a strip at a time. And then I will line it up and squish it on. Now I'm not too worried where the sequins are laying at the moment because I don't want them to be too, it doesn't matter right now, it matters when I glue my other pieces on. So then I will just, so what I've done is I've stitched these two pieces that I was going to use. So I've done some zigzag stitch around the outside here, and I've done some zigzag stitch around the whole thing, and I'm going to lay these kind of in the center a little bit. What I want to do is I want to kind of put as many of the sequins down that end as possible, because I know that there's not, there we go. So I've kind of got them separated into a section here and a section here. Okay, so then I'm just going to take the hot glue, again a decent amount on the back, and I'm going to just offset it slightly. Same thing, I just tend to do across. And then there we go. Now this is my main piece, which is my cute little cupcake SVG. Again, this is in my Etsy store. I'm going to put this little bow kind of at the top there just to add a bit of detail to it, because I found that it was looking a little bit kind of boring. And then because it's sitting on top of that, I need to put double-sided tape on, kind of just like a strip, and rest it on top just like that. Cute. I like it. Now I have a couple little bits that I'm just going to be tucking under like so. So I've got this little, it's a book that says garden notes. I'm just going to tuck it under there, and I have this little cute wax seal as well. I'm gonna pop on. Now I have this, it's like a section of a, what's it called? A frame that I'm just gonna push under there. It just adds a little bit of detail. There we go. Now I did have the bee, and I think I've decided I do want to do him, but I want him to kind of be leaning up like that. I'm going to take a little bit of foam tape and put it kind of in the middle of his body like that. And that should be enough to get him to sit up like so. Yes! Then I'm going to put my bloom word here. So again, I need my double-sided tape. I did all sit flush. Now I found these little jemmies that had been given to me a while ago, and I'm just going to put them there as like sprinkles, I guess you'd call them. And as you can see, we still have our visible shaker. I like it. So now I'm going to be filling it. So what I want to do is I have a couple boxes of little doodads here that I kind of don't use, so I'm going to go through and grab them. These are little, what are they called? They're little, I think she called them bows, and they're just made out of embroidery floss, and I want to pop those in there. They were sent to me by a pen pal, but I personally don't use them. Then next I want to go with some pink beads. I'm going to kind of do like it kind of color centric, I guess. So there's going to be like some pink beads in a box. And then I'm also going to have one for yellow as well. So let me just get out some of the yellow beads. I don't have that many yellow beads because I don't really use them that often. And I think I'll go with some of these as well. I really want this to feel like it's really filled, and they're like surprised that I've kind of given them so much. Yes, it does. So that's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel and helps everyone else see what I'm up to. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.